Good morning, everybody. Today we shall discuss about differentiation of parametric functions. First of all, we shall learn what is the design of a parametric function. A parametric function is expressed like x is a function of t and y is a function of t. X equal to ft, y is gt. Okay, x is expressed in terms of t, y is also expressed in terms of t. Then that design of writing a function is known as parametric function. Okay, in a parametric function, that t is known as the parameter. Okay, as we change t, x is changed and y will also change. Okay, now when we want to differentiate a parametric function x equal to ft and y equal to gt, okay, we want to find dy by dx, but y is written in terms of t and x is written in terms of t. So from x I shall get dx by dt, differentiating x with respect to t. And in the same way, differentiate y with respect to t to get dy by dt. Then how we get dy by dx? dy by dx अब कैसे मिलेगा? Simply it is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, so it is very easy to differentiate a parametric function. Instead of t, I may write any letter as parameter. U लिख सकते हैं, theta लिख सकते हैं, t लिख सकते हैं, v लिख सकते हैं, anything you can write. Okay. Now, question arises: is it easy to differentiate a parametric function always? The answer is obviously no. Sometimes to differentiate parametric function, we change parametric design to Cartesian design by expressing y in terms of x and then differentiate. That will be easier. And in some questions, Cartesian function, the Cartesian form y equal to fx, the explicit form, it is very difficult to do the differentiation. In that situation, we can also change that Cartesian form to parametric form. There we shall find a easier, we will feel easy to differentiate a parametric form in comparison to Cartesian form. Therefore, by seeing the situation, we will have to change our strategy. Therefore, it is essential for us to know the parametric design of some equations. Okay, now parabola equation. What is equation of parabola? Y square equal to 4x. Okay, and its parametric form is Cartesian. This is parametric. Parametric form I can write x equal to 80 square, y is 280. You see, putting x equal to 80 square, y equal to 280, LHS equal to RHS. So ये Cartesian डिजाइन है, ये इसका पैरामेट्रिक है. ओके, सर्कल x square plus y square equal to r square. So I write x is r cos theta and y is r sin theta. Very simple. And if it is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, then what is the parametric form? X minus h is r cos theta. So x is h plus r cos theta and y is k plus r sin theta. This is its parametric style. And ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Its parametric style. x को लिख देते हैं a cos theta, y को b sin theta, then a cancelled, a sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 हो जाएगा. x is a cos theta and y is b sin theta. You may write t, no problem. Okay. Hyperbola. X square by a square minus y square by b square is one parametric style. We know sec square theta minus tan square theta 1 होता है, तो x is a sec theta and y is b tan theta. Very simple. And one more equation I shall tell you, asteroid. Okay, that is x to the power 2 by 3 by a to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 by b to the power 2 by 3 is 1. Its parametric form is x equal to what? What? हाँ, x जगह में क्या लिखूं? Yes, a cos cube theta, y is b sin cube theta. That will satisfy. Put x is a cos cube theta, y is b sin cube theta. You will get LHS equal to RHS. ये उसका parametric design है. So these are the parametric design or parametric equation of some standard curves. Okay, जब जरूरत होगा तुम लोग यूज करोगे. चलो. Now coming to the examples. Let us take, okay, x is, find dy by dx, your example 34, okay, x is a cos theta and y is a sin theta. Now I shall get dx by d theta, derivative of x with respect to theta, that is minus a sin theta, you know, and dy by d theta is a cos theta. Then what is dy by dx? It is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. It is a cos theta by minus a sin theta. So it is minus cot theta. Very simple. Okay. So to differentiate parametric function is very simple. Chalo. We will take a board question. Okay. Question. X is a cos t plus 1 by 2 log tan square t by 2 and y is a sin t. Just you see, it is tan square t by 2. So that 2 will come here. Log m to the power n is n log m or not? So I write a cos t plus log tan t by 2 लिख सकते हैं. Y is a sin t. Now differentiate dx by dt. We can differentiate x with respect to t directly. It is a minus sin t. Okay. Plus. What is derivative of log tan t by 2? Log of something. 1 by that thing. Into derivative of that thing. What is that thing here? Tan t by 2. उसका derivative is x square t by 2. फिर अंदर आओ. Derivative of t by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. And what is that? What is this? A minus sin t. ये t है, theta नहीं है. Okay. Tan is sin by cos. Cos जाएगा ऊपर. Okay. और I can write 1 by sin t by 2 into sec t by 2. अरे ऊपर cos है और लिखो ना cos t by 2. ठीक. यहाँ 2 है and sec square 1 by cos square t by 2. Okay, what is it? A cos t by 2 कटा 2 sin a cos a. What is the formula? Sin 2a. So 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 is sin 2 into t by 2. That is t. So I got a minus sin t plus 1 by sin t. तो ये एलसीएम ले लो. हाँ, सिंप्लीफिकेशन जरूरी है. 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर टी बाय साइन टी. तो फाइनली क्या बना? ए कॉस स्क्वायर टी बाय साइन टी. Okay, leave here. Then what is dy by dt? Y क्या था? a sin t. So it is a cos t. Now dy by dx become क्या बनाओ? That is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. क्या हुआ? a cos t, ये उल्टा होगा, a ऊपर sin t से cos square t, a cancelled, एक cos कटा, it is tan t. Very simple. Okay, चलो next. Let us take another board question. Okay, CBSE 2012. X is root of a to the power sin inverse t. Y is a to the power cos inverse t. By chance, this was given as a 4-mark question in 2012. But if you apply your own दिमाग जब लगाओगे, if you apply your own brain, then this will be answer will be of 2 lines. You see, it is very simple. X ये दिया है, to prove dy by dx is minus y by x. This I want to prove. Idea in our hand, formula in our hand. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Already we have done. So if I multiply these two, shall I get sin inverse t plus cos inverse t? What is xy? You see, एक तो root है, a to the power, powers will be added. Sin inverse t plus cos inverse t, ये pi by 2 है, a to the power pi by 2. Okay, I changed parametric to Cartesian. Now I will differentiate. Directly I will get dy by dx because no t is available. I have changed that. So x into dy by dx, first into derivative second derivative first, y into 1, okay, equal to a constant है, उसका derivative 0, you got. Okay, हाँ, सब सही ढंग से करोगे तो 2 लाइन में हो जाएगा. Okay, next. So we are taking another question. Okay. चलो, another CBSE question we are taking. ये बढ़िया question. Y is a e to the power theta sin theta minus cos theta, and ये y नहीं है, ये x है. Y is a e to the power theta sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, now what is dx by d theta? A common, first into derivative of second, e to the power theta into sin theta derivative cos theta minus cos theta plus sin theta. Got the idea? Plus second derivative first, second sin theta minus cos theta into e to the power theta. Am I right? Okay. ये देखो, by chance what it is coming, a into this thing, it is nothing but y. उसे छोड़ दो ना, e to the power theta कॉमन ले लो, cos theta cancelled, 2 sin theta. Am I right? Come finish. 2 e to the power theta sin theta over what is dy by d theta. देखो y को थोड़ा, a कॉमन, e to the power theta sin theta डेरिवेटिव cos theta का माइनस sin theta प्लस sin theta plus cos theta e to the power theta derivative itself, e to the power theta common, a e to the power theta, sin cancel, cos theta, 2 cos theta over, it is 2a e to the power theta cos theta. Very simple. What is dy by dx? dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So what you are getting? 2a e to the power theta cos theta divided by 2 e to the power theta sin theta. सब कटा, 2a So it is cot theta. Very simple. So this idea to be used for differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Sometimes the question comes, differentiate this with respect to another function. Once there was a question on differentiation of a function with respect to another function in 2004. Question था, differentiate tan inverse root 1 minus x square by x with respect to cos inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Okay. So I will differentiate this with respect to this. So if I take this is u and this is v, I shall find du by dv. So we will do like this. Let u is tan inverse root 1 minus x square by x and v cos inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. We shall find du by dx, then dv by dx. I need differentiation of first with respect to second. We need क्या? du by dv. I can write du by dx, dv by dx, then write like parametric. But here as these are inverse unit functions and ये दिख रहा है कुछ substitution होने वाला है, तो let x is sin theta, cos theta लो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? x is cos theta. So what we are getting, u is okay. So what is u? It is tan inverse क्या बना? क्या बना? Okay, what it is? It is ये sin theta by cos theta 1 minus cos square sin theta by cos theta tan theta, ये theta हो गया. What is v? cos inverse 2 cos theta sin theta, क्या हो गया? 2 theta हो गया. Okay, cos inverse